Complete guide how to grow onions easily for beginners. The wagbarkug, or known as Latin Allium fistulosum L or Welsh onion, is one type of onion bawagga that can grow both in lowland and highland, grow all year, both rainy season and dry season, as long as get enough water intake. Planting onions can also be done in pots. Here's how to plant the barkug onions more. 1. Soil processing. The land that will be used to grow the lilies is prepared in advance. The soil on the land is first digemburica by diabajak or mecaculi. Furthermore, the soil-made beds, as well as the processing of soil in the cultivation of shallots and the cultivation of garlic. 2. Preparation of onion seeds. Generally, the seeds of onion dolly used is archaea. 3. Cultivation of onions. Cultivation of onions by way of detugal, made planting holes with a distance of about 20 cm by 20 cm, and on each planting hole 1 to 2 stems of seeds of onion, but before planted seedlings have been cut to the border of the stem. 4. Onion treatment. A. Weeding and pembuba. Do weeding on weeds or other plants that grow around the onion cultivars. Together with this weeding is also done pembubuta. The first weeding is done after the onion crop is about 3 weeks old, and the weeding is done after the onion crop is about 6 weeks old. B. Subsequent fertilization. Do also fertilization. Fertilization is done by using ZA fertilizer with a given dose of about 1 teaspoon for each plant, and this is given before the pembuba. C. Pest control. If the plants are attacked by pests such as GUM and caterpillar, then do pembajmia by cutting onion of barkug onion that attacked by pest and kill the caterpillar pest. 5. Cultivating onions. Onions can be harvested after about 2.5 months. This dumplings can be used for a mixture of omelette, soup and various other cuisines. Thus the discussion about the complete guide how to grow onions easy for beginners. Hopefully with these reviews can be useful for you all. Thank you very much for visiting.